Welcome to Tech Tip 101. Today we're going to talk about the setup and operation of a United CoolAir portable horizontal air conditioning unit. Unit location on any job site is critical for a successful rental. Two things to consider are: 1. Plenty of breathing room for your condenser inlet and outlet. Second is ceiling height. If you're discharging the air to and from the unit, you have to have plenty of ceiling height to get fresh air into the unit all the time. Two other items you want to consider for a successful rental are: always position the unit facing toward the job site so you don't have a lot of 90-degree turns in your flex duct. Second is you want to keep the unit as close as possible to the power source. This will keep your amps low and your voltage right at target. Securely fasten flex duct to the portable air conditioning unit. The Mach 145 requires one 25-foot section on both the evaporator intakes. Now that you've attached your flex duct, it's time to put the condensate drain on the unit. Now remember, all United CoolAir units have negative pressure cabinets. That means that if you don't have the condensate drain full of water, it will suck air back through the unit and nothing will come out of the condensate drain. So after you've gone ahead and put in your condensate drain, right before the last final turn, pour water into the trap. Once you've got the water in, go ahead and finish off and the unit is ready to go. Another way you can fill the condensate drain is by running the unit for 10 minutes. Once the unit has run for 10 minutes, go ahead and turn it off. Any condensate that's in the pan will come out of the condensate drain. Then turn the unit back on. After the flex ducts have been attached to the unit, it's now time to attach the cam lock connections to power up the unit. The first thing you need to do is make sure the customer's main power source is in the off position. Second, you want to verify that your customer's voltage matches the operating voltage here on the unit panel. Third, you want to make sure that the unit main disconnect breaker is in the off position. After you've done that, you're ready to connect the cam locks. Remember, always connect the green ground cam lock first to the unit, and when taking the cam locks off, always leave the ground till last. After you're done hooking up, then you can put your main breaker to the on position. Then you can turn your customer's main power source breaker to the on position as well. Now that the cam locks are connected to the unit and the customer's power breaker is in the on position and the unit main breaker is in the on position, you can verify that the unit is in phase. If the red light on the panel is illuminated, then the unit is out of phase and needs to be corrected. First, you want to disconnect the power at the customer's main power feed. Second, you want to take the unit main power breaker and put it in the off position. Then you want to switch any two of the cam locks. Once this is done, you can go ahead and put your breaker in the on position. Then you can turn your customer's main breaker to the on position as well. If the red light is off, the unit is ready to turn on. All you do is take the control power switch and put it in the fan position. Once the fan has started up and verified, turn it to the cool position. Once it's in the cool position, the unit will make cold air. Now that the rental is over, it's time to turn the unit off. Go ahead and take it from the cool position to the fan position located on a selector switch on the panel. Let the unit run for about 30 seconds. After that, turn the selector switch to the off position. Now that the unit's off, you can go ahead and take the cam locks out. But first, you want to open or shut off the unit main breaker to further isolate the unit. You'll want to turn off the customer's main power source breaker to the off position as well. Once that's done, you can go ahead and take the cam locks out. Remember, always leave the green ground one for last. Now you can take the flex duct off the unit. Thank you for joining us on Tech Tip 101. For more information information on our entire tech tips, please visit www.unitedcoolair.com and click on the videos section. Thank you.